Are you searching for the best underwater cameras for snorkeling in 2025? Whether you're exploring coral reefs or snapping selfies with sea turtles, you need a camera that can keep up underwater. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into tech gear. All the product links are down in the description. Let's jump in with our number 5 pick. Number 5, Akaso Brave 7 LE. The Akaso Brave 7 LE is a fantastic underwater action cam for beginners who want solid performance without the steep price tag. This compact little powerhouse is waterproof up to 131 feet when used with its included case. That means it's more than ready for snorkeling, pool adventures, or even light scuba diving. It shoots crisp 4K video at 30 FPS and captures 20 megapixel still photos. A standout feature is the dual screen design. A front-facing screen that's perfect for selfies or vlogs, and a 2-inch rear touchscreen for menu control and playback. The built-in EIS 2.0, electronic image stabilization, helps reduce shakes and jitters so your underwater clips look smoother even when you're in motion. You'll also appreciate the wide-angle lens, capturing more of the reef and marine life in a single shot. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, a remote control, and a complete mounting accessory kit in the box, so you're ready to go right away. Wi-Fi support and the Akaso Go app make it easy to transfer footage to your phone for quick sharing. It also supports burst photos, time-lapse photography, and slow-motion video. If you're just getting started with underwater photography and want a camera that delivers a lot, the Brave 7 LE offers tremendous value with genuine underwater capabilities. Number 4, Sea Life Micro 3.0. The Sea Life Micro 3.0 is a purpose-built underwater camera explicitly made for snorkeling, diving, and ocean exploration. This is not your typical point-and-shoot with a waterproof case. The Micro 3.0 is a fully sealed unit with no doors, no housing, and no chance of flooding. It's permanently waterproof down to 200 feet, which is far more than you'll ever need for snorkeling, giving you total peace of mind. Inside, it features a 16-megapixel Sony CMOS sensor that captures bright, vibrant photos and 4K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second. It also supports Full HD at 120 FPS for slow-motion playback. You'll love the 100-degree wide-angle lens, great for sweeping reef views and group shots. Plus, the 3 oversized piano key buttons make operation easy even with wet hands or gloves. This camera includes 64 gigabytes of internal memory and up to 3 hours of battery life on a full charge. That's plenty for a full day of snorkeling. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to transfer files wirelessly using the Sea Life app. It also supports time-lapse and burst shooting modes, letting you capture fast underwater action with ease. With its rugged build, user-friendly design, and underwater-first focus, the Micro 3.0 is ideal for snorkelers seeking reliability and simplicity in a dedicated camera. Number 3, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a compact, high-performance action camera that packs a serious punch for underwater videography, especially if you're snorkeling and want cinematic results without hauling professional gear. It features a 1.13-inch image sensor and f2.8 aperture lens that delivers excellent detail and low-light clarity even in shaded coral coves or cloudy beach days. Whether you're capturing sea turtles or snorkeling with vibrant fish, your footage will shine with rich contrast and color. You can record ultra-smooth 4K video at 120 FPS and take full advantage of 10-bit D-Log-M color support for advanced editing. The camera is waterproof up to 59 feet without any additional housing, which makes it ready for underwater action right out of the box. Dual full-color touchscreens on the front and rear make framing, playback, and setting adjustments straightforward, even while swimming. DJI's RockSteady 3.0 and HorizonSteady keep your footage level and shake-free no matter how bumpy the water gets. The Osmo Action 5 Pro also supports voice commands, customizable shooting modes, magnetic quick-release mounts, and intuitive menus, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced users. If you're looking for a rugged, feature-rich underwater camera that balances image quality, stabilization, and convenience, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is an outstanding choice for snorkeling enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Number 2, OM System Tough TG7. The OM System Tough TG7 is a rugged camera built for adventure, including underwater use. This compact camera is waterproof up to 50 feet, shockproof from 7 feet, freeze-proof, dustproof, and crushproof. In other words, it's practically indestructible and tailor-made for snorkelers, hikers, and travelers. Under the hood, it features a 12-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor powered by Olympus's TruePic 8 image processor. It shoots stunning 4K video and sharp photos even in low-light underwater settings. The bright f2.0 lens helps you capture color and detail without needing extra lighting. One unique feature is Microscope Mode, which allows you to focus on subjects as close as 1 centimeter, perfect for capturing tiny fish, coral textures, or unique underwater details. This camera also features built-in GPS, altimeter, thermometer, and compass sensors, allowing you to geotag your snorkeling routes and log your environment along the way. You also get raw shooting for post-editing flexibility, a range of scene modes, and easy USB-C connectivity for fast charging and file transfer. If you're looking for a camera that can handle anything from sandy beaches to deep snorkeling dives while delivering crisp photos and smooth video, the TG7 is the go-to choice for rugged reliability and performance. And now claiming the top spot as the best underwater camera for snorkeling in 2025, we have the one and only GoPro Hero 12 Black. This action camera continues to dominate in every category. It captures stunning 5.3K video at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and detailed 27-megapixel stills, giving you incredible clarity and vivid color whether you're filming a sea turtle or a school of fish. The Hero 12 is waterproof up to 33 feet right out of the box and even deeper with optional housing. It's perfect for snorkeling and other water-based ventures. GoPro's HyperSmooth 6.0 ensures ultra-smooth footage no matter how choppy the water is. You also get dual LCD screens, front for framing and rear for control, plus voice control, time-lapse, and slow-mo. This version includes support for Bluetooth audio devices, timecode sync for multicam setups, and HDR video for improved color range. The upgraded Enduro battery extends shooting time, allowing you to record for longer underwater. You'll also love how fast it integrates with the GoPro Quick app, making it super simple to edit and share your snorkeling adventures. If you want the best all-around camera for underwater action, with the highest video quality, durability, and an extensive ecosystem of accessories, the GoPro Hero 12 Black remains the camera to beat in 2025. Quick recap. Which one is right for you? Let's break it down one last time. Starting and want an affordable all-in-one setup? The Akaso Brave 7 LE is beginner-friendly, featuring dual screens and solid 4K video capabilities. Prefer a fully sealed dive-ready cam? The Sea Life Micro 3.0 is built for the ocean with simplicity and power. Want cinematic video with top-tier stability? The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro delivers crisp 4K 21.0 FPS footage, dual screens, and superb low-light performance in a rugged, waterproof design. Need something ultra-tough for wild adventures? The OM System TG7 delivers rugged performance featuring 4K video and sensor data capabilities. Looking for the best all around? The GoPro Hero 12 Black remains the leader, boasting unmatched features and exceptional clarity. And that's our list of the 5 best underwater cameras for snorkeling in 2025. If this helped you pick the right gear, smash that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop a comment with your favorite camera. All the Amazon links are listed below. Thank you for watching and happy snorkeling.